Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I have a bit of a different video for you today because we're going to be decorating this room, my bedroom, and as you can see at the moment it's very white. I'll just give you a little bit of a... Those are my paint swatches just there, but it's all very white and boring. So I've bought the paint already. Actually the day before I'll be starting painting, but I thought I would show you all the preparation that I'm doing, where I'm masking taping, and it's a bit of a weird one because I'm actually only painting the top portion of the room, and I know most people would say only paint the bottom because anything darker than white kind of feels heavier, and the heavier colour should be at the bottom, but we don't do things normal in our house. That was great English. We are painting the darker colour on the top, and it will be about a third or maybe more of the room. So I don't know how it will turn out. I haven't really seen any other rooms like this, but if it doesn't go to plan and we don't like it, then we can just paint the rest of the room, and I'll just run out and buy some more paint. So I'll just vlog what I'm doing, and I really hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe for more house content. I also do beauty, makeup, fashion videos, hauls, so if that sounds of interest to you, then please click subscribe below. Here we go. So just in case you guys don't follow me on Instagram, about a week ago I showed these 3 swatches and asked for people's opinions. I thought we'd already decided, and everyone's opinions actually, you know, went along with what we'd hoped. So we're actually going to go for this first colour here. Can't wait, it looks really, really good. This is the paint we chose and we'll be using. It's called Dusted Fondant by Dulux, and I bought it in matte. They had it in silk as well, but the white that's already on our walls is matte, so as we're keeping some of that, I kind of wanted them to match. But it's a lovely colour and I really like it. So the first thing I need to do is to mark out the line of where I want the paint to come down to. So I'm probably going to do it about here. I'm just going to choose a height, and then using a tape measure I'll measure it and then do kind of dots along the wall the whole way around the room, and then I'll join them together with masking tape, and then use a spirit level just to make sure that it's level all the way along. So wish me luck. Hi guys, so it's been a little while. I've basically finished now. I had a little break because I didn't realise how long this was going to take to do, but I've now masking taped around the entire room, all the same level, and I've gone in like round the windows, across there, all the lighting's gone funny, but all round like my dressing table area. I've masking taped around all the doors and the window frames, around that door as well, and around our little thermostat. And it's pretty much ready to go now. I haven't masking taped around the edge of the ceiling, which I normally do, but I'm just going to wing it and see what happens. I think the paint is wipeable, so yeah, I can't wait to start tomorrow. So I'll pick up the vlog then, and oh god, wish me luck. Good morning everyone, it is literally 7:30. I'm going to start painting before it gets too hot because it's literally going to be like 29 degrees today, and that's just going to be so hot. So I'm going to start now, try not to be too loud, and then I'll probably speak to you about halfway through and give you an update on where I've got to. guys, so this is how far I've got. I still need to do the top bit up by the ceiling there, and then I've come all the way around and I'm just finishing that bit off at the back. But it has taken so long. It's now 10:15, so it's been, oh my god, nearly 3 hours, and that's as far as I've got. It seems to have covered really well. This bit's still drying over here because I've just done it. But I'm really impressed. It only needs like one more light coat, and then I need to take the masking tape off because that's why it's not like level. But it looks really good. I'm really impressed. I've still got this big wall behind me to do, and then kind of in between the I was going to say the curtains. Nope, the windows. And then we'll be done. We'll probably do it all today. I'm not sure though. It's hot, so I'm going to get some food and then see how we get on. Everyone, so the decorating is now completely finished, so I just thought I'd do a little tour all the way around just so that you can see the finished look. There's a few little things I need to do, like up there you can probably see it's not entirely level, so I need to just go over that again with a tiny little brush, but the rest of the room is there. The hardest part was definitely around the windows. I'm hoping the lighting will be okay for me to show you. So I had to carry on the line round and then try and get in all these little corners without messing up and all around the curtains and stuff. So I'm really pleased with how it looks now. I love this corner, and I think the colour goes really well with the white of the doors and the bed frame and everything. I'm really pleased. We did it!